I never thought I'll be writing all this to you, brother, wrote actor Mahesh Shetty, Sushant Singh Rajput's friend for 13 years. They met as brothers. He said, Mr. Shetty, who co starred with Sushant in Balaji TV show Pavitra Rishta, shared a heart wrenching note, a part of which is his way of reliving the most cherished memories with his brother Sushant. And the other half is his moving tribute to Sushant's legacy as an actor. Mahesh Shetty also shared a long list of complaints against Sushant for leaving so suddenly. After Sushant Singh Rajput's death on Sunday, his friend Mahesh Shetty had asked for privacy on social media to mourn Sushant in peace. Describing the bond he shared with the late actor, Mahesh Shetty wrote, "It's a strange feeling. I have so much to say, yet I am speechless. Sometimes in life, you meet someone and feel an instant connection as if you have known him all your life and realize that you don't have to be born from the same womb to be brothers. This is how we met. We met as brothers." Mahesh Shetty added that his friendship with Sushant never felt the need for public validation and did not thrive on public display of affection. He wrote, "We shared a unique bond, and I was always glad that our relationship never needed any public display of affection or a public validation. It was sacred for both of us. How I wish I had captured it all in a lot more pictures so that at least I have had something to look back at now. But still I am thankful. At least I have the last 13 years journey filled with memories to cherish and hold on to for the rest of my life." Mahesh gave us insights to Sushant Singh Rajput's life as a fellow introvert who could talk about anything under the sun with equal conviction and was always a perfectionist. "He made me feel loved," wrote Mahesh. Mahesh Shetty's final few words for Sushant are very, very emotional. "Here we are planning on our retirement farming dreams, and now this. I somehow always knew that you were the blessed one, but never expected that he would take you away so soon. I'll always hold your legacy to heart and wouldn't want it to go west. I wish the world celebrates your life as much as your work. Feel as if there is a sudden void which will never be filled again. For every important events of our lives, we are always there for each other. How do you even explain if you suddenly lose a piece of your heart? How do you convince yourself to live with all these whys? All the other hundreds of questions and what ifs. I'm sorry, but I'll always hold so many grudges now. How I wish you would have opened up your heart completely. You knew that Shetty है और तेरे साथ हमेशा रहेगा. Then why? बात तो कर लेता यार. How I really wish that the call would have come through. Life can never be the same. I know how much you love the stars. Dharti maa ki kasam. I'll be looking out for you every night, brother," he wrote. Sushant Singh Rajput died by suicide, said the police, who are carrying out an investigation. He was found dead at his Mumbai residence on June 14. Mahesh Shetty, who shared a black and white memory as the cover for his pages, long send-off note to Sushant, captioned it in these words: "So much has been left unanswered, and there is so much more left to talk. I'll tell you all about it when I see you again." The last bit of his caption is the lyrics of the song "See You Again," released in a tribute to Hollywood star Paul Walker, who died in a car accident.
I think, Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Show House.
Absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time, and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Show House because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
आत्मविश्वास होना, अपने से प्यार हो तो कोई भी बाधा बड़ी नहीं लगेगी आपको.
Keep watching Sharmila Show House. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
I think she's different at different places.
Be progressive. Be positive. Do yourself. Understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Barun Sufi and you're watching Sharmila Show House.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
Hi, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila Show House.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Show House, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.